Welcome farmers to our second lesson, and today I want us to talk about management, that is maize management in the farm. Now as we said in our last lesson, we said that we plant or we do our preparation from planting using widow, that is a general, that is non-selective herbicide to control the weeds before planting. Now in this stage, as you can see our farm, we have done our hand weeding, whereby we have used a jembe to do our cultivation, so that now we can make the land ready for continuous production, that is for well-being of the maize. Now the reason as to why we did hard weeding is to aerate the soil. Now that we do not have any weeds that are germinating in the farm, we had to do some aeration so that now we can help the roots of our maize to get aeration, to get air from the soil. Now in this case, in addition to that, so from there, as you can see, our maize is 1 month. From our previous lesson, it was just 3 weeks. Now it is 1 month. So this at this stage, it should be top dressed, and top dressing is done by using CAN, that is calcium ammonium nitrate, or any other top dressing fertilizer. So what we are doing is that at this stage, as you can see, we say that this stage it is a knee high. Knee high means that the maize from the surface of the soil to where it is knee. It is the height of a knee. So this is the best stage for top dressing in the far. That is after planting. Now, how do we do top dressing? So this is our fertilizer. As you can see, this is CAN. This is CAN, calcium ammonium nitrate. No, now when you are top dressing, this is our fertilizer. So we top dress some a few centimeters from the plant, maybe 5 centimeters. Why do we do 5 centimeters? This is how we do it. That is a distance of 5 centimeters from the root of the plant. Why do we do that? The reason as to why we do that is to avoid scorching of the roots. So because now once you apply the fertilizers very close to the roots, it will absorb that water from the roots by what we call osmosis. As you remember the biology from the high school, we said that osmosis is the movement of water from low concentration to high concentration. So the reason is why we apply fertilizer away from the roots is to avoid drawing that water from the plant to the fertilizer. Remember, fertilizer is a kind of a salt. If you remember the high school chemistry, we say that it is calcium ammonium nitrate. So this is a nitrate salt. So to avoid scorching of the nitrate of this salt, we apply fertilizer which is that is a distance from the root. So in this case, how do we apply, at what rate do we apply the fertilizer? So depending on your size of your hand, you apply every hand. For me, I apply every hand four plants. So in this case, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4. That is approximate 5 grams per plant. This is in this case, we should apply 5 grams in every plant. Depending on the size of your hand, you can apply 4 or 5 plants. Each handful, 5 plants or 4 plants. That is equivalent, or that is approximate to 5 grams per, or a teaspoon. We also say it is a teaspoonful of fertilizer per plant. And for today's lesson, I think we'll continue in our next lesson. We can stop from at that point.